house. We're gonna go to car meet, and yeah, let's see where it goes from there. So it's a local car meet. It's at Krispy Kreme. So yeah, putting on a jacket because it's probably gonna be cold. All right, I'm heading to the garage. Okay, it's kind of dark here. Just to show you, the garage is pitch dark. Oh, there she is. Gotta warm up the car. As you can see, cold start low key because I haven't even warmed up my car. Okay, here's, I guess, my process to turn on the car. I was driving it earlier, but usually I have it connected to like a charger, but it's not connected right now. But so this is the first step. Pretty much you turn it on like a normal car. Here, and then I got my okay, the car finally quieted down. My second phone. Here's how I monitor all my gauges. So just click it, connect it. So now I know pretty much these are all the things I look for when I'm driving. This is my new thing. It adjusts my speed and my acceleration on my pedal, but I'm keeping it on normal because when I have it on the other settings, it's just ridiculous crazy. As a side note, look at my eyes, dude. Like things glowing. Looks like we're ready to go. I just gotta lower the brightness on this thing, that way I don't blind myself. If it's too bright, it'll reflect on the mirror. But yeah, look at the cool lights on our house. We haven't changed them since Christmas, so kind of sick. Grab the brothers. Yeah. Good. All right, we got this food. What's good, bro? I don't know if he remembers me. Alright. These are the cars. A little backup. You dig? I'm low-key walking backwards right now. Hopefully I don't trip. Sheesh. Now I know how I'm supposed to do. Alright, check this out. Alright. It's time to take the team to the meet. Krispy Kreme. It's finally here. Low-key, the meat's not really burnt like usually because it's actually warm now.
It's not burnt, but it smells burnt over here. Where we're
Bro, it smells so bad. So bad. Got the whole team looking up. That's if we even fit everyone. Low-key. Bro, this car right here, this car spits flame. Oh, there you go, there you go. Bro! Bro, that Civic low-key clean.
That shit sounds like Fortnite.
Sheesh! Dude, the underglow really be popping like this though, low-key. Sheesh!
Dancing classes?
You need to get better at dancing, dude. It's good, Chief.
Where the fuck you going?
Watch the donuts, bro. Bro, this food dipped on the donuts, low-key. Hold up, he's coming back, he's coming back. Hell no, that's not him. Bro, people already circling up. No scrape. Okay, okay, okay. Sheesh. Sheesh. Where?
Over there, look. Over there. You see?
Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
You can see his lights over there.
Oh yeah, low key.
No donuts.
Okay, JK guys, no donuts.
Yeah, just playing.
I was kidding about the donuts. No one do donuts. Shoot. Sheesh. Hey yo, there's a cop, bro. No, there's a cop, bro. Oh shoot, bro, this guy's screwed. Oh shoot, the cop's right there, bro. Oh, there he goes. Oh shoot. Oh, he's going. Oh, yo. Oh, he's cooked. He's cooked, bro. He's cooked. Bro, it's still smoking.
Off the home.
Yo! Oh, I thought he hit. All right, me's getting wild. Hey, how do you feel about your burnout, bro?
Chilling, new tires on a grip. Gotta break up.
Chill. Yo! Do another one!
Swing it! Okay. Oh! Good feeling about this one, bro. This one's looking dangerous. Whoa! We're actually getting caught in this. Gotta love it. All right, this guy in the green Mustang said he's gonna actually swing it, so we'll see if he's capping or not.
I'm telling you, that guy's a little wild, bro.
Bro, low key. Bring that over here. Sheesh. Low Bro, this meat's getting good, man. This is like throwback to the summers. Like last summer, these meats were sick.
Oh, we lived through the winter for this. You feel me?
In the winter, these meats were terrible, bro, because we had like a cop raid and it killed us.
Burnout!
Bro, you're asking everyone to do a burnout.
Go on the bike. Come on, do it on the bike.
Bro, how do you pull up with a bike and a car?
Yeah, and the GT.
Hey, that stimmy hit him good. That's what I'm saying. That stimmy hit nice.
Man was popping, bro.
Oh God, how many kids you got?
His 1400 went down to 0 real quick, bro.
Bail my car out.
Hey, tell me how you felt when your car was in the impound, bro.
Ah, bro. Read the roller. She's out now, bro. She's out on new tires.
Sheesh.
That's the wall. That's the wall right there, bro. Over there, behind the wall.
Burnout!
Swing it!
Alright, we're waiting for it. Still waiting for it.
He tried.
Bro! You know what? At least he tried, bro. He tried. Dang. I was hoping he actually did a donut, bro, but that was cap. It's cap.
Traction was.
All the motorcycles dipping. Oh, it's like a whole squad. Hey, bro. Did you know you were flat, bro?
Not my car, my girls.
Shoot, who's the owner?
What's up?
Sad boy days. All right, we're dipping because the cops are busy now, so it's a good time for me to leave. But look, check this out. Sheesh.
Just you need some gas.